Hello everyone and welcome to week 3 of our Research Integrity in Practice module. So far we have explored honesty, rigor, transparency and recognition, 4 principles that sit at the heart of responsible research. This week we turn to a principle that you have probably been familiar with since childhood: fairness. Fairness is about justice, equity and respect. Most of us can remember moments in our lives when we cried out, "That's not fair." Fairness matters deeply to us as human beings, and in research, it takes on a very particular meaning. According to the Australian Code, fairness means treating fellow researchers, participants, and everyone involved in your research and research processes with respect. It's about citing others' work properly, giving credit where it's due, and making sure recognition is accurate and appropriate. You have already seen fairness in action in your degree, perhaps when working in teams, collaborating with participants, or relying on support staff. Fairness means valuing those contributions, avoiding shortcuts like plagiarism, and making sure that credit and authorship go only to those who have genuinely contributed. This week, we will also explore fairness in relationship to new challenges like the use of artificial intelligence tools. AI can help us brainstorm, draft, and summarize, but it can also introduce risks, from mistakes and bias to intentional plagiarism. As researchers, the responsibility is still ours to double check, cite properly, and ensure our use of AI aligns with ethical standards. Authorship is another area where fairness is critical. Deciding who qualifies as the author can be complex and sometimes controversial. The principle is simple: only those who made a significant intellectual contribution should be listed as authors, and only with their consent. Others who have supported the work should still be acknowledged, because fairness is about recognition as much as it is about responsibility. Fairness also extends to peer review. Reviewing someone else's work is both a privilege and a duty. It means being honest and constructive, declaring any conflicts of interest, returning reviews on time, and showing the same respect for others' manuscripts that you would want for your own. This week, we will step into scenarios that bring these issues to life. You will consider whether supervisors should be listed as authors when they haven't contributed. And you will explore the ripple effects of unfair or unethical publication practices. These activities are designed to challenge your thinking and help you shape the standards you will uphold in your own research. By the end of this week, you will feel more confident recognizing fairness issues, understanding how to respond, and applying fair judgment in areas like citations, authorship, and publications. As always, please jump into these discussions. Share your reflection in your workbook and complete the quiz at the end of this week. Your input makes this learning experience richer for everyone. So let's dive into content and our discussions. Week 3 is about fairness, making sure research is not just honest and rigor, but also respectful, just, and equitable for everyone.